This video is recorded to help my students to understand how to convert from decimal number to the binary. Let us use this number 11.3125 as an example. This number has two parts. One part 11 is the integer part, 0.3125 is the fraction part. So first, how to convert the integer part to the binary. So we will say you always do 11 divided by 2, right? Then the quotient is 5, and the remainder, we write it this way, remainder is 1. So I use this as the quotient 5, and the remainder is 1. So where 5 is quotient, and 1 is remainder. Okay, so now I will continue this process, but this time I will start with the quotient of 5. So I use 5 divided by 2. Now 5 divided by 2, we know the quotient is 2, and the remainder is 1. Okay, now then I will be divide 2 divided by 2. So each time I use quotient, continue with the quotient divided by 2, then the 2 divided by 2, the quotient is 1, and the remainder is 0, because 2 divided by 2. Now, when your quotient become 1, you know that's the time you stop. Now, when you stop, what is your final result? The final result is so 11 convert to binary is, how do you interpret the final result? You start from this quotient 1, then you begin read backwards to all those remainder. So it will be 1, 0, 1, 1. That will equal 11. Again, you start from the last quotient, which is 1, then you read backwards from the 1, 0, 1, 1, go up to your remainders. So this is 11 converted to binary is 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, so this is for the integer part, you do this way. For the decimal part, you will do this way. For the decimal part, each time you will multiply by 2. Then you will get the result. For example, 0.3125 you multiply by 2 will equal 0.625. Now, then you always take his integer part out. Okay, so the integer part is 0, and the fraction part is 0.625. Now, you always start with the fraction part again. So use 0.625 multiply 2. This will give you 1.25. Okay? Now, this time, integer part is 1. The fraction part is 0.25. Now, you always start with your fraction part. Okay? So fraction part is 0.25. Then multiply 2 again. That will give you 0.5. Now, this 0.5 answer integer part is 0. And the fraction part is 0.5. Now you start from fraction part again. 0.5 times 2. That will give you 1.0. Now, the integer part is 1, and the fraction part is 0. Now, since the fraction part is 0, you stop. You know you finish it. Now, how do you interpret the result? You will connect the integer part 0, 1, 0, 1. That is the fraction part after you convert it to binary. So 0.3125 convert to binary is 0.0101. Okay, is use this 0101. That's how you convert it to. Okay, so after that you combine together. Finally, 11.3125 to binary is integer part, which is 1011 point decimal part, fraction part 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. That's the final answer. Okay, let me pause, and if you have any questions, please send me an email.